Today I want to share how to use Canva for beginner. So let's start the video. First we go to canva.com. So this is Canva. This is the dashboard. The first there are some category like visual documents, photos and videos, print, marketing, and this category under item like logos, poster, flyer, brochure, social media, website, stickers, yard sign, QR code generator, business card, invitation, mocks, t-shirt, hoodies, calendar, labels, video editor, YouTube video editor, photo collect, worksheet, documents, presentation, whiteboard, PDF editor, graphics and charts. And this is business, Canva for business solution resource, and education. This is pricing and learning. Here there are huge template. You can use this and edit, like click this and click on continue this template. You can create your own logos, branding, and something like you can edit this name and change the color. Okay, okay. This is your logo, and you can download. Click and share, and you can download and download. You can use this for any purpose, and took this here, use template for free. You can use and edit this. So there are some category like business, social media, video, marketing, custom prints, card and invitation, education, photos, icons. Click on icon. Okay, this is icon. This icon, if you want, you can use for your project. Use of icon. Okay, next, card and invitation. Then use invitation card like wedding card, birthday card, thank you card. You can use and edit this. um, like custom this template. This thank you card. You can edit this text like see, and you can change this photo like filter. You can adjust like intensity and color filter. Okay, then you can go for share and download. Okay, next I will go for create a design and documents, whiteboard, Facebook post, logo, Facebook cover, video, YouTube banner, YouTube thumbnail, presentation, YouTube shorts, invitation, card, effort document, resume, YouTube channel logo, flyer, infographic, poster, and many other things. Okay, we'll go for logos. Here you can create your own logo. You can choose for ready-made template, and you can also create a new, like a color. Okay, go elements and shape and change the color red, and you can create your own design as you wish. Okay, you can use for design elements, line and shape. You can use this like arrows, message box. Okay, you can use any figure, action figure. From here, like this avatar, I can choose for doctor. Okay, you can search from here like engineer, search engineer, and you can choose your avatar. Okay, I will go for this. So if you search for nurse, okay, and then you can use this avatar for your logo. So you can take, okay, so you can take anything for your logo. Click share, download. This is a blank, and there is use ready-made template for YouTube thumbnail. You can use this, and if you search here for blog, you can see there is template for blog. Okay, then you search for cooking, then they're all cooking related thumbnail, so you can edit this. Okay, next I will go for Facebook post. You can choose from here Facebook post. All are ready-made template. Okay, you can edit digital marketing. Expert. Next we'll go for video. Click on video. There are short video like subscribe, like, share. Thanks for watching this type video for your channel. You can use this or make it like this is thanks for watching. You can choose or this is like, share and subscribe for your channel. You can use this or customize this. This is subscribe. Thanks for watching. So this all are free. You can choose and edit for your project. So thank you very much.